everyone, today we're gonna make a Asteroids game. For making this project, you need 2 push buttons, some hookup wires, a small breadboard, some jumper wires, an Arduino Uno with its cable, a matrix display, and that's it. Now, let's move to the connections and the circuit diagram. Now, these are the connections and the circuit diagram of our project. Now, let's move to the code. Now, this is the code of our project. Now, upload your code to your Arduino. Now, let's test our game after uploading your code to your Arduino. Now, let's test our Asteroids game. If we press the left button, our spaceship moves left. If we press the right button, our spaceship moves right. We should not touch the asteroids. If we dash to the asteroids, we will be out. Like this. And then your screen also shows the score. Sometimes it shows some dots in the left place and the 2 numbers. 1 dot is for 100. Now I will show you. So now it is showing 2 dots and 16. That means our score is 216. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos.